The first thing I noticed from the station is the promising skyline. As I watched the city from the beautiful park, the Pfeifferturm and the steeple of the Catholic Church, surrounded by half-timbered gables and tile roofs, create a beautiful scenic background. Welcome to the town of Eppingen. With its beautiful park and numerous half-timbered houses, welcomes everyone and offers ideal conditions for fun and relaxation. Nestled in a charming landscape between Odenwald and Black Forest, Eppingen is one of the charming cities in the Baden-Württemberg. The place is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture. Despite its small size, Eppingen boasts a rich history, culture, and local cuisine. The city is easily accessible by train from major cities like Stuttgart and Heidelberg. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Eppingen should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Eppingen. Like many other towns, Eppingen was awarded civic status during Middle Ages around 1190. There are also attractions in the town that offer a glimpse into the rich history and culture of Eppingen, such as the town's important cultural landmark, St. Martin Church, showcasing historical architecture and religious significance. The second tallest structure in the town is the Pfeifferturm or Hornblower's Tower. This tower lies on the former boundary of the old town and is its oldest surviving structure. It was built in the 13th century as a watchtower to guard against foe and fire. Today, the tower is open to the public. The town's wealth is epitomized by its particularly large and beautiful half-timbered houses. The entire town is now a conservation area. These houses remain largely intact in spite of the devastation of the 30 Years' War, which did not spare Eppingen and disseminated the inhabitants of surrounding villages. Whether you are interested in history, nature, or culture, Eppingen has something to offer. Visiting the historic old town, strolling through the city streets, dine in one of the restaurants, or go shopping, Eppingen brings the best out of your experience. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!